Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 school idioms every student must know. Number 1, ace the test. It means to do extremely well on a test or exam. Example, she studied hard and aced the test. Number 2, hit the books. It means to start studying seriously. Example, finals are next week, so it's time to hit the books. Number 3, pass with flying colors. It means to pass something very easily and with a high score. Example, he passed the exam with flying colors. Number 4, draw a blank. It means to be unable to remember something. Example, when the teacher asked my name, I completely drew a blank. Number 5, crack a book. It means to open and start reading or studying from a book. Example, if you don't crack a book once in a while, you won't learn much. Number 6, bookworm. It means a person who loves reading and studying. Example, she's such a bookworm, you always see her with a novel. Number 7, teacher's pet. It means a student who is a teacher's favorite. Example, don't always answer first, or people will think you're the teacher's pet. Number 8, pop quiz. It means a short, unexpected test given by a teacher. Example, the teacher surprised us with a pop quiz on yesterday's lesson. Number 9, copycat. It means a student who copies someone else's work or ideas. Example, don't be a copycat, try to write your own answers. Number 10, learn something by heart. It means to memorize something perfectly. Example, the class had to learn the poem by heart for the competition. All right, learners, that's all for today's school idioms. Now it's your turn. Which idiom will you use this week? Leave your answer in the comments, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next English adventure. See you in the next video.